today's video, welcome back to Creative Family. You are going to like, subscribe, because if we subscribe and hit 1000 hours and 4000 watch hours, we will get monetized. And if we get monetized, I want to improve our channel by having a better, including a green screen, a good better microphone. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Adobe Premiere Pro 2021 2022 CC 64-bit track. It's a website called FileCR. FileCR is 100% free. Let's jump to this video and let's go. So to download to download Adobe Premiere Pro 2021 CC, go to the site filecr.com and search Adobe over here. And wait till the site load. And over here you can see product found and Adobe Premiere Pro 2022 pre-activated is over here. We'll click that. We'll close all the ads and we'll continue. It will take some time to load, but you can see FileCR is 100% safe and it's not a very dangerous software. Go down and over here you can see the direct download is 1.6 GB. It's okay. We'll click direct download over here. And over here, thanks for downloading. The link will be generated in a little while. Remember guys, the password of the zip is 123. That will be handy later on in the video. Now let's click to download. And over here you can see the download zip is getting installed. I will come back when the download link is installed. Sorry guys, there's been a small problem. Remember guys, we have to extract the file, so you should click extract to Adobe Premiere Pro and click password zip 123. You can see Adobe Premiere Pro, this is actually extracted, but the full extraction didn't work here. So if the full extraction didn't work, you should go for the more options and then click extract Adobe Premiere Pro. Again, go for more options and then click extract Adobe Premiere Pro. I made a small mistake, I'm sorry about that. But we have to wait until this gets extracted. I will take a little while to get extracted and processed. Until then, we have to wait a bit, depending according to your internet and depending according to your system's RAM. And before the extraction ends, I want to tell you guys, Adobe Premiere Pro, you need at least a 4 GB RAM, the Intel Core i3 chip. Core i3 8th Gen above. I recommend you guys use Intel Core i4 and above, Core i5, 6, 7, 8, and you need a little good. You can use a good graphics card like an old Intel graphics card. To check your file, you can go for the search icon. To check what is your processor or any information of your computer, go for the search bar and type system information. And over here you can see system information. So close this, and over here you can see Microsoft Windows 11 Pro Max, and you can see system name, desktop, H3, EliteBook, and you can see Intel Core i7 chip processor. So I'm in good shape. Okay, back again. I will installation is 96% done. After the installation is 100% done, we'll catch you again. Our extraction is 100% done. Okay guys, the file has been extracted. There has been a small problem, but that problem has been fixed. And over here you can click Adobe Premiere Pro, and over here again go back inside Adobe Premiere Pro and click Setup. You don't need to click any of these, but just click the Setup button, and the screen is going to go black. And over here you can see Premiere Pro is being installed. Guys, if there is a message which says, do you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make your changes to your device, you can click yes. You have to click yes to set up the device, because the Premiere Pro is not from this doesn't have any viruses. Just check, it's just giving you information because there is a unknown. There's no known user. I'll just click yes because your user. There will be no problems whatsoever with your computer. It was like the same for the Photoshop video. We had to do the same, and now we'll click continue. And over here on the top you can see Adobe Premiere Pro installation is beginning. After the installation you just have to start up, but anyways I will start it up and give you. And there we go, Adobe Premiere Pro has been installed. If you like, the installation has been completed. There has been a small problem because another small problem and so much of problems for recording this video. I had too much storage in my computer. That's why you saw that warning sign. But it won't come for you if you didn't waste up so much of storage like I did for mine. Okay. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and remember, before I leave you, follow this button over here and this button over here. That's to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You heard me right. Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will mean the whole world to me if you all subscribe. Okay guys, I will catch y'all in the next one, but please guys remember to subscribe with this, like this animation, hit the like button like this animation. I don't think animation popped up for that, but okay, if it popped up anyways, please follow it and subscribe to our channel. For now, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.
Okay guys, if you like this video, please consider subscribing. Check out the next other tool, Let's Crack It videos, which is Photoshop Let's Crack and Camtasia Let's Crack, and I will see you in the next video.